Welcome back to At the Studio. Today you're going to be drawing your character's name. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create custom vintage lettering. You'll start by drawing your own type. There are multiple vintage script lettering styles in this tutorial. You'll choose one of the three to use as a template for your character's name. So break out the drawing utensil and write. I like to start with drawing because it helps to understand how the letter forms are naturally formed. In the first example is based off script lettering. And here you're simply going to write your character's name using a cursive style writing. So let's take a look. So here is a super quick sketch mock-up to use as reference for creating your script letter. The biggest thing to do is to come up with lots of different ideas. Lines underneath the letters, curly cues. Be very creative in your lettering. Mix it up, some print, some cursive, and see what you come up with. Here is what your final sketch should look like in terms of incorporating the ideas from your rough sketch. Remember, this one works best if you have a first and last name. The second way of doing your lettering is through bubble letters. And you had practice with this at the studio where we did some graffiti letters about 2 weeks ago. So let's take a look. I always like to start with a few quick sketches, so make some fun bubble letters. If you'd like to take it to the next level, you could also explore highlights with the sketch so that you can really understand how they work and would look. And here are your bubble letters that you would be drawing. And then later on, you'll bring them into Illustrator. Number 3 is a really fun way to make your type look like an old movie poster. So let's take a look. You just need to get the basic idea of this composition. The basic idea for this tutorial is that the type will be split diagonally, and the letters will go from big to small, and vice versa. So here's the final sketch of the movie poster. The one thing that you need to remember is that for this one, you need at least a first and last name. Now it's your turn to decide, will it be the first example, the second example, or the third example. Go back and pause the one that you would like to do. Remember, use your character's name.